You know, having a track kit in the wintertime really is a nice feature, but the reality is a lot of folks aren't going to drop $4,000 to $6,000 just for the wintertime use. So what really is your next best option? During the winter, you're looking for excellent traction, which also includes excellent clear out, where the lugs of the tire don't get packed in so tightly that the snow can't escape, and turning your tire essentially into a slick. So a good lug layout and a lug to void ratio is really key. Now, a tire that ITP suggests for the winter months is the Terra Hook. It's one of their high-end radial designs, and it has that balanced lug to void ratio that we're looking for. The multi-angled lugs on the Terra Hook make for a non-directional design that really does attack the winter snow aggressively. The rubber compound used is especially key as it allows the tire to stay grippy in the colder conditions and delivers that supreme traction we need, especially when plowing snow. And that's exactly why we're going to outfit this Ranger with our brand new set of Terra Hooks on brand new ITP rims. No matter what ITP rims you buy, the lifetime warranty is impressive against bending or breakage. Today we have a set of 15-inch Momentum rims that are absolutely beautiful looking. The high gloss black offset with the milled aluminum features make this rim look like it's from a custom pickup truck. The faux beadlock mill points on the outer edge look cool, and the inner rock armor wheel lip gives you the big protection you need against the abuse us off-roaders see out on the trails. Now for our Ranger, we opted for a square tire setup of matching Terra Hooks on 15-inch ITP rims. They're going to be a bit bigger, but we're not going to need a clutch kit. These Terra Hooks look very aggressive on the Ranger, and while we are using these for winter use, they look impressive and give the Ranger some more style. But looks are only one part of the story. It's the functionality that we're going for, and looking for that tire and wheel package that will help plow snow in the dead of winter. That's what I'm here for. I mean, it doesn't hurt that they look incredible on the Ranger, but function is definitely trumping form in this case. Like I mentioned earlier, plowing is key, and that's exactly what I'm looking to do with these Terra Hooks during this winter. The features of this tire are pretty unique, especially so are the channels or cutouts in the tread block. These reliefs allow the middle biting lugs to be able to flex more over whatever you're driving on and to get that center block to dig into the snow in my case. While you won't find ITP calling this a winter tire, its ability to flex that tread makes it great for soft terrain as well as snow. Yeah, snow's pretty soft. Now, if you do find yourself in deeper situations, the shoulder lugs will grip at anything they come in contact with, and they alternate, so they'll grab from different angles. The treads on this tire also feature alternating pitches that give you more traction on more surfaces. I know that that's a lot of tech talk, but what I'm saying is that the 3/4 inch deep lugs on this Terra Hook will deliver incredible traction in a very wide range of traction situations. So if winter prep is on your mind, make sure that you're looking at the right tire and rim package for your ATV or side-by-side, and that's going to keep you pushing more snow all winter long.